And today we're going to be repairing my Eggers Family E. I'm going to use this to kind of get all the hard parts. Like this. So far I got this and this. This I've done. Now all I need is that. Good. Okay. So let's unlock it. So let's use the other. This one.
All right.
I got a little bracket. My dad has it. Use my drill. Okay. Look at that. We already have the right attach this bracket to hold on this. Aha! First one. Two more. Get this in. That's not moving. Not going anywhere. Isn't that it? Oh, let's spray paint it on cam. I'm gonna spray paint it. Let's go. This is my favorite part. That. So this is what it's gonna look like, but the new spray paint, get that close. We'll show you when it's dry. Yeah. Guys, this is it completed. I'm gonna tell you something. If something's real worn out, it's not always trash. That'll be it for today's video, and hit the bell like all and subscribe and hit the bell and thumbs up. You got the egg. Now let's go put the